Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy YouTube for ad revenue easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by creating your YouTube channel if you haven't already. Ensure your channel reflects your brand by customizing the name and profile picture. Upload high quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Focus on topics that are relevant and interesting to viewers. Before you can monetize, you'll need to meet YouTube's eligibility requirements. Accumulate a minimum of 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Ensure that your content follows YouTube's monetization policies and guidelines. Once you meet these requirements, navigate to YouTube Studio. In the left sidebar, select Monetization. Follow the prompts to review the YouTube Partner Program terms. If you agree, click Accept. Link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel for revenue collection. If you don't have an AdSense account, you can create one via the AdSense website. After linking, wait for YouTube to review your channel for monetization eligibility. This review process can take anywhere from a few days to a month. Once approved, enable monetization for individual videos through YouTube Studio. Choose between monetization types such as display ads, overlay ads, and skippable video ads. Monitor your video analytics to understand which content generates the most revenue. Experiment with different ad formats to see which yields the best results for your audience. Engage with your audience to build a loyal viewer base. Encourage viewers to interact with your content, as engagement can boost visibility. Stay informed about YouTube's evolving monetization policies to ensure compliance. Continuously create and upload quality content to maintain audience interest. As your channel grows, explore additional revenue streams such as merchandise or memberships. Remember, consistency and quality are key to long-term success in ad revenue on YouTube. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.